Now, fold your hands straight. Let's do tables first. Let's do some mental maths. Let me see how many of you are learning up your tables regularly. Ready? Fold your hands, Bhavika. Sit straight. Hania, put the pencil down. Fold your hands straight. All of you sit smartly. Arnav. Satakshi. Okay. Alia, the first one. 6 6 Alia, 6 6 Aban, 6 6
36.
Okay. Hania, 4 4 Hania, 4 4
16.
16.
I'm 16.
Okay. Satakshi, 7 7 Satakshi, 7 7
7 7 are 56.
7 7 49. Okay. Bhavika, 6 6
6 36.
Okay. Prayan, 9 9
81.
Okay. Aishika, 2 2 Aishika, 2 2
4.
Okay, good. Sakshi, 3 2 Sakshi, 3 2 I think she cannot hear me. Mandvi, 5 4 Manvi,
5 4 are.
yes.
3 4 are.
Yes,
Yes,
Manvi,
ma'am.
5 4
5 4 are 20.
Okay, thank you. Arisht, 3 6 Arisht, 3 6
Yes.
3 6
3 6 are.
yes.
12 ma'am. 18.
3 6 18. Okay, Mustafa, 3 8 Mustafa, quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
3
3 1
8
are 3 3 2 the 6 3 3 the 9 3 4 the 12 3 5 the 50 3 6 the 80 3 7 the 21 3 8 the 24
Okay,
3
3
9 the
8
27 3 10 the 30.
Okay, Mustafa, I asked you 3 8 So you just have to tell me 3 8 all right? Okay,
Okay,
thank
ma'am.
you. Taiba, 5 8
5 and the 5, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15, 5 to the 20, 5 5
Okay,
the 20,
come on. 5
5
8
5 5 5 and the 5, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15, 5 to the 20, 5 5 5 5 5 and the 5, 5 to the 10, 5. You must always one.
5 8
Ma'am,
40. Okay, thank you. Ahmad, the next one, 3 7
yes, ma'am.
3 7
21.
21. Okay. Ashwil, 2 7
Yes, ma'am.
2 7
14 page
14. Okay, thank you. Aradhya, 5 4
5 1 the 5 5 2 the 10 5 3 the 15 5 4 the 20 5 5 the 25
5 5
5
25.
5 the
Okay,
25.
thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Now you open your maths books to page number 121. 121. And I hope you completed the skip counting of 4 and 5 yesterday. Give me a thumbs up. All of you did it? Okay, you all are giving a thumbs up. That's right. Good. So that means you managed to do it. Yes.
4 और 5 आपने अभी इस बुक में नहीं कराई.
Ashwik, this one, Bhavika, मैंने कल आप लोगों को पेज नंबर 119 और 120 बोला था कंप्लीट करने के लिए skip counting.
20 दोनों बोला था मैंने.
Did you complete it?
No, ma'am.
Then you please do it today. That is skip counting.
Ma'am. कि आपने वो जो पेज नंबर 118, 190 और 120 आपने करवा नहीं अभी करवा रही, इसलिए मैंने नहीं किया था कल.
No, yesterday we did this नंबर लाइन वाली जो स्किप थी वो हम लोग ने क्लास में करी थी अश्विका, और हमने आपसे बोला था नीचे आपको उसमें जो टेबल्स का आंसर्स लिखने हैं स्किप काउंटिंग वाले जो हम लोग ने लाइन पे करा है वो हमने बोला था आप अपने आप करेंगे. Okay, so you completed today, no problem.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
आपने जो वर्क दिया था मैंने कर लिया था.
Okay, good. Now open your
मैंने भी.
All right. Page number 121.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम जो आपने कल पेज नंबर 19 और 20 का काम दिया था वो मैं कल करना भूल गई थी.
कोई बात नहीं, आज कर लीजिएगा. ओके.
ओके मैम.
Okay. Now come to page number 121. Let's fill in the boxes using multiplication tables. Now just now I had asked you some dodging tables and you answered well. Now let's do it in the book. Ashwika, the first one, page number 121. Are you ready with your book? Children, please remember to put the date every day. Whichever page we are on, you have to put the date on your own. Okay? So make sure you put the date. Put the date, Ashwika, and then tell me the first answer. 2 4s are?
मैम आज की डेट क्या है?
Today's date is 26/11. 26/11.
मैम 2 4s are 8.
8. Okay, thank you. Good. Children, write over there 8. The next one, Prayan, 5 4s are? Prayan, the next one, 5 4s are?
5 4 20.
20. Okay, thank you. Next, Alia, 2 9s are?
18.
18. Good. Next. Sayansh, 5 5s are?
25.
25. Very good. You all are becoming smart in multiplication now, children. That's very good. Because you all are learning your tables.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, the next one, Roshni. 2 5s are?
Yes, ma'am.
2 5s are?
10.
10. That's right.
10.
Good. Good. Keep writing the answers, children, in the boxes. Ishi, the next one. 4 10s are?
40.
40. That's right. Hania, the next one. 2 7s are?
Ma'am, 14.
14. Okay, thank you. Arnav, the next one. 3 6s are? The sums on the right hand side. 3 6s are?
18.
18. Okay, thank you. Children, write over there 18. Aditya, the next one. 4 6s are?
24.
24, that's right. Next one.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Rudra, yes?
I have done my work.
Okay, good. Rudra, the next one. Rudra, the next one. 3 sevens are?
Ma'am, 24.
21, that's right. Vikhyat, the next one.
24.
3 eights are 24. 3 eights are 24. Then 3 sevens are 21. Okay. Vikhyat, the next one. 4 eights are?
Yes, ma'am.
4 eights are?
Ma'am, 32.
32, that's right.
Okay, ma'am.
Aban, the next
Thank
one.
you, ma'am.
5 eights are?
40.
40, okay, thank you. Sidra, the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
3 nines are?
Ma'am, 27.
27, that's right. Okay, children, now we have another exercise here. Fill in the boxes with the correct numbers. कुछ टेबल्स के आंसर्स दिए हैं, आपको बताना है किस टेबल में ये आंसर आता है. कुछ में आपको टेबल्स बताने हैं. So you have to fill in the correct numbers. Now let's look at the first one. Vani, look at the first sum over there. 4 into what number will give you 12? 4 multiplied by which number will give you 12? अब इसका आंसर ढूंढने के लिए आपको टेबल ऑफ 4 बोलना होगा. Say the table of 4, Vani. Vani, can you hear me?
4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16.
अब आपको स्टॉप करना है जहां पर आंसर आएगा 12. अभी आपने बोला 4 threes are 12, तो वहां पर जो बॉक्स है उसमें कौन सा नंबर हमें लिखना है? वानी, which number are we going to write in that box? You said 4 threes are 12. Now put your finger there, all of you children, on the first sum. Can you see is equal to 12?
Ma'am, 3.
So we put over there 3. All of you write there 3. Now the next sum. Which number multiplied by 6 will give you 18? अगर हम 2 का टेबल से बोलना शुरू करेंगे तो हमें देखना है 2 को अगर हम 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या हमारा आंसर 18 आएगा? Let's try it and see. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12. अगर हम वहां पर 2 लिखेंगे, 2 multiplied by 6, आंसर विल बी 12. बट यहां पर क्या दिया है? 18. सो 2 वहां पर नहीं आएगा. अब हम लोग 3 के टेबल. नाउ वी विल ट्राई विद द टेबल ऑफ 3. The second sum, page number 121, second exercise. Let's try with 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18. Okay, अगर हम वहां पर 3 लिखेंगे, multiplied by 6 is equal to 18. So your answer will be 3. So put on the second box 3. Now look at the next one, Shanavar. The next one. It says 3 multiplied by what number? वहां पर blank square दिया हुआ है is equal to 9. 3 को हम किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि हमारा आंसर 9 आना चाहिए? So अब आप क्या करेंगे? 3 का टेबल बोलेंगे पहले. Start saying the table of 3.
मैम 3 2 6 6 3 9.
3 3s are 9. That's right. Very good. So we will put over there 3. Thank you, Shanawar. Good. Now let's move on to the next sum. Alia, the next sum. Which number multiplied by 8 will give us 32? अब हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? 3 का टेबल बोलना पड़ेगा पहले, फिर 4 का बोलना पड़ेगा. यस. अब आपको सोचना है 3 टेंजा क्या होता है? 30. 3 टेंजा 30 होता है, राइट? एंड द आंसर गिवन हियर इज 32, जो 30 से ज्यादा है. तो हम 3 का टेबल नहीं बोलेंगे, हम सिर्फ 4 का टेबल बोलना शुरू करेंगे. ओके? Because 32 is more than 30. So let's say the table of 4 and see if we get 32 in that. Okay? Sidra, see the table of 4.
4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20.
4 3s are Sidra. Again
4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32,
Okay,
4
now
9.
look at that number, Sidra. Look at that number. Children, all of you look at that number. The answer 32. So that means 4 8s are 32. अगर हम 8 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर 32 आएगा. So in that box, write over there 4. Have you all written 4? Give me a thumbs up. All right. Now the next sum. Next sum. Aban, the next sum. 5 multiplied by which number will give us 35?
5 5 are 35. 35 ना.
अबान, पहले तो बेटे आपके पास में जो भी है उनको बोलिए आपको आंसर्स नहीं बताने, आपको मैम का क्वेश्चन सुन के अपने आप करना है. एंड 5 5s is 25. ओके, एंड हियर इट इज गिवन 35. तो आप 5 का टेबल बोलना शुरू कीजिए.
5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35.
अब आप वहां पर उस नंबर को देखिए, वहां 35 लिखा है, बुक में देखिए अपनी. यस और नो?
यस.
यस. और अभी आपने बोला 5 7s are 35, तो वहां पर 5 7s are 35 आएगा या 5 5s आएगा?
मैम 5 5s.
5 5s क्या होता है? 25. और यहाँ पर है 35. अभी आपने बोला 5 7s are 35. Yes?
Yes.
So please put over there 7, all of you. 5 7s are 35. Abdul, the next one. Which number multiplied by 4 is going to give us 16? Now you have to think आपको कौन सा टेबल बोलना है जो आंसर 16 आएगा.
मैम 4 का.
4 ka. Very good. So we write over there 4. Ahmad is showing with his fingers also. That's nice. So you all are learning your table. I'm very happy. So write there 4, children. 4 4s are 16. Above write 4 4s are 16. Put over there 4. All right. Hania, the next sum. 2 into which number will give us 20?
10.
2 multiplied by 10, that's right.
2 10s are
20. Okay, good. Write over there 10.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, Emma, since you've done, give me the last answer. Which number multiplied by 9 is 45? ma'am?
I have done.
5. Okay, 5 nines are 45. Okay, children, very good. You all are all learning your tables. That's good. Now turn the page and come to page 122. There's a worksheet over there. It's a very interesting activity. Have you turned the page, all of you? Give me a thumbs up. All right. Now see, children, we have 3 thieves over there. It says 3 thieves enter a cave. Thief A collects gold coins, thief B collects silver coins, and thief C collects bronze coins.
Thief मतलब होता
I'm
है?
telling Ashika, just 1 minute. I'll tell you, child. Thieves means robbers, चोर. एक बार क्या हो गया, एक केव में जहां पर बहुत से गोल्ड और सिल्वर कॉपर कॉइन्स थे, ब्रॉन्ज कॉइन, वहां पर 3 चोर आ जाते हैं और वो क्या करते हैं, वहां से कॉइन्स चुरा के भागते हैं. कैन यू सी द पिक्चर A, B and C? Can you see the 3 thieves, all of you children? Okay, now see they are running. अब नीचे उस पिक्चर के नीचे you have yellow coins, which means 1 coin is equal to 2. 1 is equal to 2. Then you have 4 silver ones. 1 coin is equal to 4. And the bronze 1 coin is equal to 3. अब आपको करना क्या है, पहले आपको जो येलो कलर के कॉइन्स उस पेज पर दिख रहे हैं, वो सारे येलो कॉइन्स में 2 लिखिए. येलो कॉइन्स के अंदर ऑल ऑफ यू राइट 2. जितने येलो कॉइन्स है उसमें 2 लिखिए.
मैम ऐसे?
Yes, Shanavar, that's right. In the yellow coins you write there 2 with your pencil.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, Alia.
Ma'am.
Now Alia, you tell me how many gold coins are there. आपने 2 लिखा है, जिसमें जिसमें येलो कॉइन्स में, उसको काउंट करके बताइए कितने कॉइन्स हैं.
मैम I have done.
Okay, all of you count, children.
8.
Okay, so all of you have got the answer as 8 coins, right? So now the first question over there, worksheet के नीचे लिखा है how many coins did thief A collect. thief A ने कितने coins collect करे. तो आपको जो वहां पर बॉक्सेस बने हैं, you will write 2, मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन वहां पर बना हुआ है, आपको उसके बाद लिखना है 8. Then you will multiply 2 into 8 and get the answer. Come on, do it.
16. Ma'am. Answer 16, ma'am.
All of you have got 16. Give me a thumbs up, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a thumbs up. Everybody's got. Okay.
Coins.
So that coins means sikke. Bhavika, you got the answer. 2 8s are 16.
2 8 is 16. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now come to the silver coins, children. Silver coins. 1 coin is equal to 4. 4 coins. तो जितने silver coins हैं, सब में 4 लिखिए आप लोग पहले. And count and tell me how many silver coins are there.
3.
Oh, Shana has already done it.
Ma'am, 3.
Okay.
Ma'am, 3.
So please do over there 4 into 3. Multiply 4. 4 into 3. You get your answer as Roshni.
12, ma'am. 12. 12.
12. Okay. Sakshi has also done it. Good, Sakshi. 4 3s are 12. So the
12.
B thief gets 12 silver coins. Now see how many bronze coins the C thief collects.
5.
So
5.
please write 3 in the red coins there.
5. 5. Ma'am, 5.
Coins. Okay, Shanava. So children write 3. Yes.
सेकंड वाला का बता दिए.
Second coins हमने बोले ना 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12.
मैम जो अभी की लिए बोलेंगे कितना लिखना होगा. मैम एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
Aresh, just wait. Aresh, just a second. Bhavika, what are you asking?
मैम जो रेड वाले हैं उनमें
उसमें 3 लिखिए आप. उसमें 3 लिखना है. All of you write 3. Yes, Aresh, back to you. What are you asking?
मेरा सही है.
Okay, you're giving the answer.
3
5s are 15.
Excuse me, ma'am.
1 red coin is equal to 3, and there are 5 red coins, so 3 into 5 you get 15. Yes.
मैम सेकंड वाले जो बॉक्स है वो जिसमें जाके बॉक्स है उसमें क्या लिखना है.
The second B thief collects 12. 4 3s are 12. Okay, so with that we finish with your math class, children. Thank you.
थर्ड वाला बता.